Hello, I'm Pallavi. I'm a freelance illustrator running my own small art business, and today I'm going to share my learnings about filing ITR as a freelance illustrator. I started my journey of freelancing in 2020, and before that, I used to work regular job as a visual designer. Every time when I had to file my taxes, especially when I started freelancing business, it was quite hard for me to understand the process. But I learned few things as I grew, and I hope I'll be able to share some insight. Okay, so before we start, this is how the structure of this video is. In the first section, we'll be talking about some basic stuff of this taxation world. Second, we'll be talking about benefits of filing your ITR. Next, we'll be talking about whether you should be going with the old regime or the new regime after the budget 2023. And lastly, we'll be going through the process of filing an ITR. So the first question is very basic. Who all are eligible for filing their ITR? So if you are of an legal age and if you have your PAN card with you, you are eligible to file your ITR. Even if your income is very minimum or it's nil, it doesn't matter. It applies to every citizen. They should file their ITR. The second point, though this video is only about the freelance illustrator or designers, but suppose you are a artist who work as a full-time employee, but you also work on some freelance projects time to time, show this income under the section called income from other businesses or profession, and you will be filing ITR form 3. Now the third point, if you are a designer who only work on the freelance projects, or you work on contract basis with other companies or multiple companies, you will be filing ITR form 4. Moving on to the next point, you are a freelance illustrator who works with multiple clients on contract basis. Also, you work with some individual clients in between and some projects. So how you gonna know that under which slab of deduction you come? So you can refer this slab for the details. In next scenario, suppose you are a freelance illustrator who works with multiple clients, but in this scene, you work with Indian clients as well as international clients. Refer the same slab which was there for only Indian clients. Doesn't matter that you work with the international clients or you work with the Indian clients. The tax which you pay to the government of your country. Now, the next question is, what is a financial year? Financial year is the time period where a money is earned. So it starts from the 1st April of the current year and goes till 31st March of the upcoming year. Is what is assessment year? So the assessment year is the time period where we assess the income earned in the financial year. So just suppose if your financial year is 2022 and 23, that is 1st April 2022 and 31st March 2023. Assessment year is going to be from 1st April 2023 to 31st March 2024. In the assessment year, we evaluate money earned in the financial year. Now moving to the part where we'll be talking about the benefits of filing ITR. So the first one is, once your freelancing career booms, you want to become a brand. The history of filing ITR will help you with the company registrations, loan applications, GST applications, etc. Second benefit is it will help you in claiming the deductions and rebates. Now suppose you are a designer or illustrator and you work on a project with a company. What they do, once they credit your payment, they deduct some tax from that is called TDS, and that is mostly around 10% of the payment, and that you can claim, but you can only claim that back once you file your ITR. So the first step would be filing an ITR and then claiming that deduction back. Now the third benefit is, now suppose you want to go for a project to a different country, or you want to move to a different country for your work purpose or any other purposes. So the history of filing ITR also helps with your visa approval. It also acts as your income proof and your identity proof. Moving on to the third section of this video, which is about whether the old regime or the new regime. Now, after the announcement of the budget 2023 in Feb, So the basic thing to know about this is that if you have planned your finances very well, you can go with the old regime. If you have not, you can opt for the new regime. But this is a very crucial decision to take. And before taking that decision, you can do some maths and you can do some calculations which are very simple. And you can compare the results and see which regime benefits you the most. For that, you can use a calculator and compare the results and see that which one works best for you. And remember, it's an extremely important step. So take your time, compare the results. If you're not able to understand, take help of a CA and then take a decision, because you are going to be stuck with whatever decision you make for a year. We have reached to the end of this video, and I hope I was making some sense and I was able to share some knowledge. If you like this video, consider subscribing and liking, or if you have any question, you can ask. I'll try my best to answer that, or you can share this video with your freelance illustrator and designer friends. Thank you. See ya.